How to fillet a salmon. Filleting a whole salmon is quite simple if you follow a few basic steps. First, place the salmon with its dorsal or spinal side at the edge of the cutting board facing you. This is important since you want to have a full range of your knife and hand. Next, make a 1/2 inch deep incision down the length of the back of the fish, starting from the gill area behind the head and working towards the tail. It's always important to work from the head to the tail to avoid damaging the fish flesh. This incision creates a guide for your knife. Now, lift the fin under the gills and make a semicircular cut from the belly to the bone of the back surrounding the gill cavity. You will feel your knife stop against the spinal bone about 1.5 inches below the back of the fish. Holding the gills with one hand, rotate your knife so that the blade is now facing the tail. Keep your knife at a 20-degree angle and apply some pressure by gently pulling the head of the fish and beginning to saw back and forth in long, smooth motions, always following the spinal bone towards the tail of the fish. Carefully lift off the fillet of the fish, flipping it over onto its skin. Any flesh that is left on the spine can be scraped off with a spoon. It's great for salmon cakes, pate, or anywhere you might need chopped salmon. Remember, treat your fresh salmon with gentle care. Salmon flesh is very delicate and tears and breaks down when it's not handled carefully.